Hi! For today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to use Instagram branded content tools. So with no further ado, let's start. So Instagram created the branded content tools on the app to make it easier for those brand creators who have partnerships and collaborations, and also for other users to know about the brand collaborations. So go to your profile page, which I have already opened right here. Then tap the three dashed lines. Then tap Settings. Then tap Business. Then tap Branded Content. So here, it is better to turn on the manually approved content creators so that other content creator can add you to their branded content. And here, tap the approved content creator. So just search here the content creator account so you can approve it. So go back. Then next, tap the plus icon to create a post. So here, create a post. Then next, tap add brand partners. Then here, search the brand partner you want to add in your post. And here, you need the approval of that brand content. So if you continue this one, then the request will be sent to the brand content. And that's it. And now you're done with our tutorial. Let us know in the comment section down below if this video helped you. For more video tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching!